If you've ever used AI to create images before, you would have noticed this major problem. The text are usually wrong. But guess what? I found a super easy way to fix this. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Dreamina AI to correct any incorrect text on your images or any form of deformity on those AI images you love so much. You don't need Photoshop, you don't need fancy edits, just a few clicks and you're good to go. And without further ado, let's learn. This is Dreamina's website. Quick disclaimer, you can also create images with Dreamina, but what we actually need today is what is called Canvas Editor. So I'm going to show you how to use Dreamina to actually fix text errors in images generated using Dreamina and also platforms like Midjourney or whatever. So for instance now, I have this image right here. Let me show you the image I'm going to work with. I have this image, make money podcasting without spending. It's wrong. Let me show you something right here. This is actually the thumbnail from one of my videos, make money podcasting without spending. And I was able to fix that using this tool right here. This was the actual image and I turned it to this and I had my thumbnail right here. So I'm going to show you how I got that done. Also, for the other image, this one right here, 20 CapCut tools. It should say that will break the internet. I'm also going to fix that. As you can also see, the CapCut text is actually wrong. So I'm going to show you how to get those done today using this option here that says Canvas Editor. So quickly, you click on it, you upload your images. Yes. So now I'm going to fix the text that says cap, whatever it says here, and also add a whale right here. Also, I'm going to remove this Meta AI watermark. I don't want that. And to get that done, we need to use this option here that says Inpaint. This is the most powerful tool on this platform. Amazing. I can literally just use this tool to make this guy smile, cry, or whatever. But just for the sake of this video, I'm going to use it to make the text proper. So I'm just going to I'm going to fix this Meta AI text. I'm going to fix this. So you can see an option just came down here. Describe what you want. I don't want anything. I just want the text gone. I'm going to click on Inpaint. As you can see, it's absolutely free. Okay, so rather than taking it away, it changed it to something else. That's actually not what I wanted, but let's see. Oh yeah, so it's actually gone. So the thing is, whenever you work with Dreamina, it gives you 4 options for everything. So you can see the first 3 options, it changed into something else. But like I said, I don't want anything. So we're done, no watermark. So now the same thing, I'm just going to make it a bit bigger and I'm going to select this text right here. Also, make sure your selection matches the size of the text you want. So if you want the text big, you can select the bigger area, but I just wanted to match this exact size. So now we're going to put in something. So guys, pay attention right now. You're going to put T-E-X-T text, open quotation, also proper capitalization. If you want uppercase, lowercase, whatever, you can get it done. Close quotes and Inpaint. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the text has been fixed. 20 CapCut, just as we want it. Let's see other options. I think I prefer this one. Oh, I like this one. Yeah, this one has a mix of both colors. So I actually like this one, 20 CapCut. So we are done with the CapCut text. Now we need to come here. Okay, so now the same thing, T-E-X-T. Also, I could have decided to just highlight everything, but I just want to work with this one alone. So I'm going to turn this to T-H-A-T, that will, close quotes, and Inpaint. So guys, as you can see, it's done. This looks nice, but it has just 1 hair instead of 2. Okay. I like this one, that will. So I think I'm going to go for this one, that will break the internet. It makes it stands out and it's different from the break. Okay. I'll probably just go for this one, or if you don't like it, you can always regenerate multiple options. But I think I like this one. I like this one and also the first one. But I don't want, so it's either I pick between that one or the 4th one. But yes, guys, that's literally how you get it done. We literally went from this at the beginning to having this that we have at number 1. And that's how easy it is to get done. So now I'm going to show you how to actually get the second one done for my thumbnail. Click done and just click on save as PNG or just click on export. Whichever one. I click on save as PNG and I have it on my device. And as you can see, from here to here. So guys, I'm going to import the other image right now. So this will be turned to this right here. Make money podcasting without spending $1. The text is wrong. The first 2 lines correct, but the third has to be fixed. Click on Inpaint, highlight it, text, quotation, capital letter without spending. I can choose to put $1 right now, but I'm just going to do that separately. I want them separate. And click Inpaint. So, as you can see, the text is correct. Let's see the different styles we have. Without spending, without spending. I think I like this one, the second one. Or, it doesn't matter, whichever one. So now, click on done. And finally, Inpaint again, because we need to put the $1 sign. I'm just going to highlight this area, because I want the $1 to be bigger than everything else. And text. Quotation, $1. And Inpaint. Guys, as you can see, we have a beautiful $1 text written. We have multiple options also. I think I like the last one or the first one. It doesn't matter, but that's how to get it done. You click done, save as PNG, download it, and we're good to go, guys. We are in business. Listen to me. If you enjoy watching this video, you would definitely also enjoy this video right here. I made it just for you. So I'm waiting for you, and I'll see you in this one.